Dear students, in today's video, we'll learn the most important topic in mathematics, that is test of divisibility. Test of divisibility is very useful in solving various examples in mathematics. It is also useful to solve the examples in the various competitive examination. So let us learn the test of divisibility of 4, 6, 8 and 9. Now, which numbers are divisible by 4? Which numbers are divisible by 4? So, the number in which last two digits, the number in which last two digits are multiple of 4, are multiple of 4 or divisible by 4 or divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. So here for test of divisibility of 4, last two digits if they are multiple of 4 or divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. So let us see the examples here. So first example 9836. So of this number 9836, last two digits are 36. Now we have to check whether this last two digits is multiple of 4 or divisible by 4. Is this 36? 36 is coming in 4 table. 4 into 9, 4 9 the 36. Therefore, this number 9836 is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4. Now let us see the second example. 49,560. Is this number divisible by 4? So for that purpose, we have to check only last two digits. That is, last two digit is 60. Is 60 multiple of 2 or divisible by 2? Same. Now here we'll check it is getting divided by 4. 60 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 0 and 4 fives are 20. So 60 is completely divisible by 4. 15 fours is 60. 60 is what? 15 into 4. So this number 4960560 is divisible by 4. Now let us check the third example. Last two digit of the number is 50. So let us check 50 is divisible by 4. So 50 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 0. 4 twos are 8. Remainder is 2. So this 60 is not completely divisible by 50 is not completely divisible by 4. So it is not a multiple. 50 is not coming in table of 4. So this number 76,750 is not divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 4. Now the fourth example 21,596. Is this number divisible by 4? So we have to check last two digits. Last two digit of number is 96. So is whether this 96 is divisible by 4? You have to check. So 96 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 16. 4 fours are 16. Remainder is 0. So 96 is completely divisible by 4. So therefore 21596 is divisible by 4. So last example Last two digits are 86. So we have to check whether 72,186 is divisible by 4. So we have to check on the last two digit of a number. If last two digit of a number are multiple or divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. So let us check whether 86 is divisible by 4. So 86 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Remainder is 6 6. Again 4 1s are 4. Divide 4 minus 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 is the remainder. So 86 is not completely divisible by 4. There are no factors of 86. It is not a multiple of 4. Therefore, this 72,186 is not divisible by 4. So this was the test of divisibility of 4. Let us see which number is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by both, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 as well as 3, then only that number is divisible by 6. So let us see some examples. Is this number 12,348 divisible by 6? So first, we know that test of 2 is when the unit place last digit is of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. And for 3, if the sum of the digit is multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So let us see, is this number here last digit is 8. So this number is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Now we have to check, is this number divisible by 3? So let us add the numbers. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 is multiple of 3. Therefore, this number is divisible by 2 as well as it is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is divisible by 6. Second example, 72,951. So this 72,951, so is this number divisible by 2? If you see the unit place, it is not an even number. So 1 is there at unit place, so it is not divisible by 2. Hence, the number should be divisible by both the numbers, 2 as well as 3. If it is not divisible by 2 here, so this number is not divisible by 6. It is not divisible by 6. Third example, last digit is 2. So this number is divisible by 2 and sum of the digits 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 is multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number 62,502 is divisible by 6. Yes, it is divisible by 6. One more example, 90,560. Last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 2. Now, sum of the digits 9 plus 5, 14, plus 0, 14, plus 6, 20, 20 plus 0 is again 20. So 20 is not multiple of 2, not multiple of 3. So it is not divisible, 20 is not divisible by 3. So therefore it is not divisible by 3. Hence, it should be divisible by both the numbers 2 as well as 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. Last example, 9876. Last digit is 6. So, it is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 2. Now, the sum of the digits 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 6, 30. So 30 is multiple of 3. So it is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is divisible by both 2 as well as 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. So this number 9876 is divisible by 6. This was the test of divisibility of 6. Which number is divisible by 8? If the last 3 digits of the number is multiple of 8, if last 3 digit of a number is multiple of 8, then or it is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. It is the same like 4 in test of divisibility of 4, last 2 digits, and here last in test of divisibility of 8, last 3 digits of a number should be completely divisible by 8. When we divide last 3 digit numbers, then we should get remainder 0, then that number is divisible by 8. Now let us see this number 72,968. Is this number divisible by 8? So we have to consider last 3 digits. Let's consider last. So 3 digits are 968. This 968 divide by 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 16. 8 twos are 16. 0. Here 8 ones are 8. So remainder is 0. So this number 72,000 is divisible by 8. This number is divisible by 8. Now let us see 50,426. Is this number divisible by 8? So 50,000, last 3 digits we have to consider. Last 3 digits, check whether these last 3 digits are divisible by completely divisible by 8. So 426 is divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. 42 minus 42. 8 3s are 24. Remainder is 2 here. So it is not completely divisible by 8. So this number 50,426 is not divisible by 8. This is not divisible by, so this is not divisible, this is divisible. Now let us see one more example. So 96,366. So consider last 3 digits. So divide 336 by 8. 8 4s are 32. 1. 8 2s are 16. So this number is completely divisible by 8 336. Therefore 96336 is divisible by 8. This number is divisible by, which number is divisible by 9? So if the sum of the digits in any number, if sum of the digit in any number is multiple of 9, or it is completely divisible by 9, same like divisibility of test of 3, sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 9 or completely divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Let us see some examples. So, number is here 9234. Let us take the sum of the digits. Let us find the sum of the digits of this number. That is, sum is equal to 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. Is 18 multiple of 9? Yes, 9 twos are 18. So, this number 9234 is divisible by, this number is divisible by 9. Now, let us see the another example, that is 56,70,936. Is this number divisible by 9? Let us check. So, we should take the sum of the digits. Sum is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus sum of all digits, 0 plus 9 plus 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. So, 5 plus 6 plus 7. So, 5 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 9, 20. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 0, 18. Then 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 3, 30. And 30 plus 6 is 36. Is 36 multiple of 9? Yes, 36 is coming in 9 table. 9 fours are 36. So, this number, this big number is divisible by 9. This is divisible by 9. Both, if you divide this number by 9, you will get a remainder 0. Now, let us check number, next example, 49,705. So, sum of these digits of this number, sum is equal to 4 plus 0 plus 9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 0 plus 5. Now 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 0, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Is 25 multiple or divisible by 9? No, this is not divisible. So, here this number is not divisible by 9. Next example, the sum of these digits, that is 8,45,631. So, sum of the digits of this number, 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. So, total 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 6 is 23, 23 plus 3, 26 plus 1, 27. Is 27 multiple of 3, multiple of 9? Yes, it is multiple of 9. 9 3 are 27. So, this number is divisible by 9. So, this is divisible by 9. This is not divisible. Last example is number 24,680 divisible by 9. Let us see sum of the digits. Sum of digits of this number, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 0. 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 0 is 20. Is 20 divisible by 9? No, 20 is not coming in 9 table. So, this number 24,680 is not divisible by 9. So, this was test of divisibility of 9. Thank you.